Hey everyone, welcome back to The Simple Dad. Today I've got something really interesting for all the Samsung Galaxy users out there, a brand new app called Collections. Now this app hasn't officially launched worldwide yet, but I've managed to test it out and I want to show you what it does, how it works, and whether it's actually worth getting excited about. So what exactly is Collection? Think of it like Samsung's take on Google's Pixel screenshot feature. So the idea is pretty simple. You can grab bits of information like screenshots, text, links, or even images and have them all organized in one place. From there, Samsung wants to use AI to make it easier to search and manage and make sense of your stuff. So here's a catch. Collection was originally a feature for Samsung's phone in China, but now the app can actually be sideloaded onto devices like in US, UK, and other regions. That means Samsung might be preparing to roll it out more widely in the future. Right now though, you won't find this in the Galaxy Store just yet. However, whoever wants to try this, I have left a link in the description down below, so you can go ahead and download it from my Google Drive. And no, it's not a virus, so go ahead and download it, it's completely safe. So I went ahead and installed the APK to see what it's like. So once you set it up, you can start clipping and saving all sorts of things like screenshots, links, or images. It can even track of where each item came from. So as you can see, I have two images here and both of them came from Samsung Capture. Let's just say, for example, a link. I can go ahead and share this. And then I can go ahead and tap on Collection here at the bottom. Now I can go ahead and view this and now I'll go back. So as you can see, this is a link which I've shared from Google. Now, not everything works perfectly at the moment. Some features like AI summaries and Samsung's clever drag and drop sidebar don't seem to function properly outside of China yet, but the core idea of collecting and organizing your content works. And honestly, it shows a lot of potential. So what I really like about this is how you can make managing your digital clutter so much easier. Imagine being able to quickly collect an article, an image, or a note, and then have Samsung's AI sort it all out for you. So if they polish this up and add the missing features, it could be a game changer, especially for productivity. So what do you think? Should Samsung officially release Collections worldwide? Would you use something like this on your Galaxy phone? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'd love to hear your take on it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future Samsung tips and updates. Thanks for watching The Simple Dad, and I'll see you in the next one.